How to combine videos on Instagram Reels. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can combine videos on Instagram Reels. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to combine videos on your Instagram Reel, it is very simple. Now it could be two things that you mean. One is if you want to combine with somebody else's video, you can just tap on the three dots icon next to that video, tap on the remix tool, and you can add your own video to this video and combine both of these videos. But if it is your own video that you want to combine, tap the plus icon, go to Reels, and what we will select is we will simply select multiple videos over here. So just select these multiple tools like this. Once you select these multiple tools, just select the videos that you want to combine over here. So let me just go ahead and then select a couple of videos in this case. So once I've went ahead and then selected these videos here, I can tap the next button and they'll be synced automatically if I want to. I can also skip this process, but they are basically combined now. And this way I can go ahead and then combine multiple videos to an Instagram reel. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.